YouTube just made a huge announcement that changes everything for content creators with regard to ad revenue and monetization. And so if you're a YouTube content creator, this might be one of the most important videos you ever watch. Today, we're gonna dive into YouTube's new monetization rules for 2020, how they impact you, and here's the good news. You stand to make more money this time. Let's jump into the video. Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake helping you create something awesome today. Welcome back to the channel. For the new people here, my name is Roberto Blake. I'm a creative entrepreneur and I like to talk about building businesses and brands online. A lot of you come here for YouTube tips, and today we are talking about YouTube money. And I think you guys may be familiar with how much I enjoy talking about making money online. So if you're into that thing, like and subscribe. So as of July 2020, the YouTube monetization rules with regard to mid-roll ads on YouTube are completely changing, and it's going to affect your previous existing videos and all future videos going forward. And so this is why it's important to get into the details of these new rules that were just announced. Now this is going to go into effect late July of 2020, and this is why it's also going to be important for a lot of you who are just about to have your YouTube channel monetized, if you're a smaller YouTube channel, or if you're a YouTube channel that's on the road to monetization and you're thinking about doing YouTube and pursuing it, then you want to know what's going on here. You're going to be allowed finally to add mid-roll advertising to videos that are 8 minutes or longer. This previously was only available to videos that were 10 minutes or longer. You may have noticed videos getting longer and longer on YouTube. I wonder if mid-roll ads and making more YouTube money has anything to do with that. I wonder. But all joking aside, this is a great thing for content creators. And a little bit later in this video, for those of you who don't know how to add mid-rolls manually to your videos and put them where you want, so it's a good experience for your viewers, so they don't click off of your video and hurt your watch time, hurt your retention and your analytics, I'm gonna actually walk you through that process step by step. It's really simple and we can do it really fast. So that's gonna be later in the video. But there are a couple of really important things that are changing with YouTube systems and how the algorithm is gonna handle this that I need to tell you about before we go there. So the first important thing is this is going to be applied to videos for you. And if you don't think that these mid-roll ads are gonna be appropriate for your content, you're gonna have to opt out of that in YouTube Studio by July 27th of 2020. And that's important because this is gonna be automatically applied to all eligible videos, meaning any video eligible for monetization that's over 8 minutes long is automatically going to have mid-roll ads placed in it, and YouTube is going to find the most natural ad break it can for those videos. And so what does that mean? It means we're gonna be relying on YouTube's systems to place these ads in the middle of the video in a place that's not bad to interrupt it. So if you're not comfortable with that, that's why I'm gonna show you how in the computer to do that manually so that you can be in control of where ads show up for your audience. Now this is also going to apply to videos where you have previously opted out of mid-roll ads for whatever reason. So it's important for you to know that as well. Also, just really quickly, the reason that a lot of this is important and why this is mostly a good thing, it's tremendously a good thing for a lot of content creators, is having more ads in your video means you're in a position to start earning more ad revenue through YouTube's AdSense program. Take my channel, for example. Typically, if my videos aren't more than 12 or 16 minutes, I tend not to bother with mid-roll ads in the videos. But this channel actually still earns over $2,000 on average for 250,000 views, which sounds insane, but that's because a lot of the videos where we talk about money, we talk about online business, or we talk about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and how to build businesses online, those videos are a specific category in YouTube that's very profitable and has a high CPM rate. So those videos earn more money, even if they get less views. I've known YouTube content creators who do 1 million views. They make 1 million views and they earn like $500 on the back of that. There are videos on this channel that don't even hit 100,000 views that do like $1,000 or more in ad revenue. So I want you to understand that while this will be beneficial and this will help a lot of content creators make more money, you have to understand that just having more views and having more ads won't automatically make every YouTube content creator rich or anything like that. There's a whole other video that I've made where I break down some of the stuff and what actually earns you more money in YouTube. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to link to it in the description. But by having more mid-roll ad opportunities and having that even applied to your old content, it actually makes that old content generate more income and money for you. So if you're the type of content creator that's making evergreen content, or your content constantly gets traffic and people are showing up and even watching your old library because they like your personality, this even works for some entertainment channels. This is going to be really powerful and really profitable. And so I think this was a really great change that helps the YouTube community. So with all that in mind, I think that I need to show you how to place your own mid-roll ads into a video, because I think that it's important for creators to have control over the experience that their audience is having, so that we can make sure that if we want something to appear as an ad break in a much better spot than whatever YouTube's automatic system, and I think they're gonna get it more right than wrong. But if you want that control, then you need to watch this part of the video. So in the YouTube dashboard, I'm actually gonna pick a video. I'm gonna click on the $ icon in the videos tab for monetization on that specific video. By going into this video, I'm going to have options for all the different ways it can be monetized. And so we have those options available to us here. I'm going to go to manage mid-rolls because that's gonna be important. And this is where I get to do my own manual ad breaks. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna find a natural place in the video, usually a place where you're not talking. And you're gonna want to insert the mid-roll ad there. And you're gonna click Add Break to place it manually. And so now you know how to place mid-roll ads directly in your videos. By being able to do this, you can control how many ads are in your videos, giving your videos the best experience for your viewers, and also having the opportunity to earn more ad revenue in YouTube. And so now you know the new update for the monetization rules for YouTube mid-roll ads that's happening this summer in 2020 and is going to be applied to all future videos, as well as the videos that you've already made in the past. And so 8-minute videos will now have the ability to have those mid-roll ads and earn you a little bit more ad revenue in YouTube. If you want to know more about making money in YouTube, I actually have a playlist for you that you can use down below, and you can find a lot more of my videos that cover YouTube related topics when it comes to earning more money as a content creator. But if you also just want to learn how to make more money online and all the faster ways to make money than YouTube, I'm going to link to that playlist down in the description as well. Oh, one last thing before you go, please feel free to check out my YouTube starter kit. This is the ultimate resource that I made for YouTube content creators. We put over 100 different Photoshop templates to help people with thumbnails, channel artwork, and their live streaming graphics into the YouTube starter kit. We made a list of 100 videos that can grow your YouTube channel. We also came up with the 20 best title formulas to help your videos get discovered. So we have a ton of resources in the YouTube starter kit. It's usually just $99. I am giving you guys a discount in the description down below of this particular video. You do not have to buy this. This is just something I want you to know exists, and it's something that can help you as a content creator, but you absolutely don't have to buy it to be successful on YouTube, and you can just watch the free content I have here. This is just for people who I know struggle with their thumbnails, and they're not a graphic designer or a photographer, and also for people who just kind of feel stuck when it comes to the process of making their titles and coming up with ideas for their content. Question of the day: how do you feel about YouTube changing the monetization policy and automatically applying these mid-roll ads to all videos that are 8 minutes or longer? Let me know in the comment section if you think this is a good thing, whether you think this is a bad thing, and how you think it's going to affect the videos that content creators make. And do you think that this is good for viewers, or is it something that's going to make them frustrated and click away? I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome content here on the channel. As always, you guys, thanks so very much for watching. And don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. Over 8 minutes. Take care.